Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and the incredible creatures that call it home. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share another fascinating story with you today. As we take our first steps on this journey, let's travel to the island of Java, Indonesia, where a dedicated conservationist is working tirelessly to protect one of the most endangered primates in the world, the Javan Gibbon. Also known as the silvery gibbon, this charismatic creature is found only in fragmented pockets of Java's remaining forests. Rahayu Octaviani, or Ayu, is a passionate advocate for the conservation of these amazing animals. With a background in primatology and a lifelong fascination with the work of iconic researchers like Jane Goodall and Dian Fossey, Ayu has dedicated her career to studying and protecting the Javan gibbon. Ayu's organization, Kiara, has been working to conserve the Javan gibbon and its habitat, and their efforts have not gone unnoticed. Recently, Ayu was awarded the prestigious Whitley Award, often referred to as the Green Oscars, for her outstanding contributions to conservation. But the story of the Javan gibbon is not just one of conservation success. It's also a tale of urgency and warning. With habitat loss and hunting threatening the very existence of this species, the clock is ticking. Research suggests that if these threats are not addressed, the Javan gibbon could become extinct within the next 100 years. Ayu's work is focused on reducing these threats and protecting the remaining populations of Javan gibbons. By studying their behavior, habitat needs, and population dynamics, she and her team are working to develop effective conservation strategies that will ensure the long-term survival of this incredible species. As we delve deeper into the world of the Javan gibbon, we'll explore the complexities of conservation and the challenges faced by Ayu and her team. We'll also discover the fascinating social bonds and behaviors of these amazing creatures, and learn more about the importance of preserving their habitat and reducing human impact on the environment. So join me on this journey into the world of the Javan gibbon, as we explore the latest research, conservation efforts and stories from the field. It's a story that will take us deep into the heart of Indonesia's forests and introduce us to the dedicated individuals working to protect our planet's precious biodiversity. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David, and we're glad you're joining us again as we delve into the fascinating world of science and nature. Today, we've got an intriguing story that takes us to the remote regions of the global south, where researchers have been working on a unique project to uncover the transmission dynamics of avian influenza. Imagine venturing into the wilderness, not just to observe birds in their natural habitat, but to collect their guano. Yes, you heard that right, bird droppings. It might sound unusual, but this innovative approach has proven to be a valuable tool in understanding how avian influenza viruses spread among bird populations and potentially to humans. A team of scientists, led by Damika Leshanwanigama, has been conducting surveillance in these remote areas, collecting guano samples from various bird species. By analyzing these samples, they've been able to detect the presence of avian influenza viruses and track their movement along bird migration routes. This information is crucial for predicting and preventing potential outbreaks, which can have significant impacts on both human health and the poultry industry. What's remarkable about this study is its global scope, with researchers collaborating across continents to gather data and share knowledge. From Japan to Chile, and from Australia to Sweden, scientists are working together to better understand the complex dynamics of avian influenza transmission. By exploring the intersection of wildlife ecology, epidemiology, and genetics, they're shedding light on the intricate relationships between birds, their environments, and the viruses that affect them. As we continue to navigate the complexities of our interconnected world, studies like this remind us of the importance of interdisciplinary research and international collaboration in addressing global health challenges. So, let's keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep walking along the fascinating paths of nature and science. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, dear listeners. As we conclude our journey through the fascinating realms of the natural world, I'd like to take you on a rather sobering expedition into the depths of our planet's oceans. You see, a recent study has revealed that vast swaths of our oceans have been darkening over the past 2 decades, and this phenomenon could have far-reaching implications for marine life. Imagine, if you will, the sun's rays struggling to penetrate the waves, as if a veil of darkness is slowly shrouding the ocean's surface. This is precisely what's happening in more than a fifth of our global ocean, an area equivalent to the combined landmasses of Europe, Africa, China, and North America. The band of water where marine life can survive, known as the photic zone, has reduced in depth by as much as 100 meters in some areas. Dr. Thomas Davies, a marine conservationist at the University of Plymouth, warns that this trend is a genuine cause for concern. The consequences could be severe: disrupted marine food webs, altered species distributions, and a weakened ocean ecosystem. Phytoplankton, those microscopic plant-like organisms that underpin nearly all marine life, are struggling to photosynthesize in these darker waters. As we delve deeper into the causes of this phenomenon, it becomes clear that climate change is likely playing a significant role. Global heating and changes in ocean currents are thought to be contributing factors, particularly in areas like the Southern Ocean and the Gulf Stream past Greenland. The drivers behind this darkening are complex, but one thing is certain: the impacts on marine life will be profound. Professor Oliver Zielinski, director of the Leibniz Institute for Baltic Sea Research in Germany, aptly describes this trend as worrying. Coastal seas, closest to human activity, are particularly vulnerable, and their resilience is crucial for both ecological health and human well-being. As we conclude our nature walk today, I urge you to ponder the significance of these findings. The darkening of our oceans serves as a poignant reminder of the intricate connections between our planet's systems and the delicate balance of life on Earth. It's a call to action, a reminder that our individual choices can collectively contribute to mitigating the effects of climate change. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Bye. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty and complexity of our oceans, and let us strive to protect these vital ecosystems for future generations. Until we meet again, farewell, and happy trails. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.